Now I will show you how to set this project browser dialog box and the property box. These two dialog box, you can interchange the location. You can either place it on the right or on the left side. If by any instances that you have accidentally closed this project browser and properties box and you cannot find it, you can bring it back to this display by going to modify, and beside the modify toolbox there is the properties, or you can also key in PP in the keyboard. So now you see that the properties box appears again on the right side. Let's type PP, so it will also automatically display once you key in the keyboard the PP letters. Now the project browser dialog box, you have to right click, and in this selection you can go to the project browser. Here the browser is set with 4 other browsers. Just click project browser. It's automatically set at the left side if you have already set it before. Now you can also place these two dialog box on top of each other with the same location. You can place it side by side. We want to do is place it on top of this dialog box. So let's make it this shorter. So now it's on top. So here you can see that the properties box label, you can click it, and then if you want to switch to the project browser, just click on this project browser. So you can switch between the two display dialog box, and you only have one location. This is the most preferred option as you can maximize the view on your screen. Now in any accident that you have relocated the location of the box, in order to place it back into this left side, it's quite difficult for first timer. If you are not familiar, you have to click at the edge of this box, on this rectangular box near the X box, and push it to the left side as far as you can. You can see that then it will highlight that boundary of the dialog box, the white blank color with the blue boundaries. It means that it will be fixed at that location. Some, if you pull it and place it also on the right side, it may instantly appear or set the location, but it's quite difficult to do it. You can also place it on top if you want. Just select the location here. You can also place it at the bottom. You can click it again, select it, and drag it to the location you prefer. It can be placed at the bottom, but it's quite difficult to manage because the screen will be wider, but it's very small. So we place it typically on the left side. So we will push it, then it will be set. Just drag this to make it slimmer. So that is how to, if you want to separate the properties and project browser back to the same different location, you can just click it and drag it out, and then set it back to the right side location. So that is how to set up your properties dialog box and project browser dialog box in Revit.